Thank you. And finally, I would just like to say, with the mayor, I attended the groundbreaking of the Environmental Nature Center's new preschool campus consisting of 3 classrooms and offices and support spaces. And this has been another thing that's been a long time coming. But basically, the board and everybody connected at the Environmental Nature Center got this going, and this is with private money, and there might be some grants in there. But just another example of the leadership and the people involved at the Environmental Nature Center providing this wonderful new center to the children in our community and from outside of our community. And it's just a wonderful addition to this special place that the mayor may be able to talk about a little bit because he has some personal experience there from a few years ago. Thank you.
Thank you. I just would comment real quickly on the Environmental Nature Learning Center. You'll hear more about it when it's completed. This was the groundbreaking, so they've got a long way to go, and they still need your donations. So hopefully, if you can do that, that would help a lot. So I'll get more involved in that as the project gets down the road. But it's an awesome project.